we are biological living stars. This is what happens when we die. Alright, no different than a supernova. Okay? When a sun dies, or star dies, it goes into a supernova, and energy is released. That bang, boom, is released back into the universe or space, okay, which is basically God, okay? And then the matter itself will recycle, okay? When we die, when that light or soul or that biological star inside us dies, the energy is released. That would be our soul going back to the universe or God or out in space, whatever, all right? Then the body will recycle, okay? It all happens again. There is a certain frequency, just like this, like the dark matter. Dark matter is basically sound, okay? So that is a frequency that this star is emitting that we can't hear because of the void of space, but it's still there because E equals mc squared. This is doing something. It is creating sound. Though we can't hear it, it is still happening. That's the dark matter. That's what gives the momentum to the matter in our galaxy. So when this is released, this energy is released, it's similar to how this dark matter is released, okay? Because that's a sound. And this boom is technically it's going to be loud whenever a big bang happens or a supernova. It's going to be loud, but we're not going to be able to hear it. It's going to be loud, and the energy is going to be released, literally. Just like happens to us. Because there is energy in here. No matter what happens with this star, it has energy. Until it dies, that energy is going to go somewhere. When it finally dies, it's going to leave. But the matter can't sustain itself. Therefore, the energy has to go somewhere because the star is going to die because the matter cannot sustain itself anymore. Just like the human body. Once the matter can't sustain itself anymore, the energy has to be released. And then the body will recycle. Say a heart goes out. Your heart dies, your liver is bad, your kidneys are bad, whatever. Whenever the matter itself can't sustain the energy anymore, it has to be released. Just like a supernova. Because we are literally stars. And now this isn't a theory. This is literally a fact. What is a star? It's nuclear and electric energy. What are we? We're nuclear and electric energy. What is a star? It's plasma. What are we? We're plasma. This is why we are suns. That's why the sun is a sun. That's why stars, coincide with humans. Because we are all stars. This is forbidden knowledge, technically. I mean, it sounds like some philosophical mumbo-jumbo, but all the scientific corroborations are there. Nobody's looking because it's all suppressed. Because it's forbidden science. All right? Because it leads to metaphysics understanding this stuff. We're not supposed to understand the nature of the universe. Well, we are because we're humans. But the governments do not want us knowing this because knowledge is power. And if we finally have this knowledge, they lose their power. Because they have that knowledge over us. Which means they have that power over us. So I'm just trying to give a little example. When we die, this is exactly what happens. Because of our correlation with a star.